Hey guys, I just want to do a quick rundown on how you can implement this program at your school. So it starts with a really fun assembly. During the assembly, we teach that each letter of the stop sign is a part of internet safety. It is engaging, it is entertaining, there's music, there's games. You have the older kids come out and act out real life scenarios where you would need these safety tools. There's a mascot, there's an MC, funny masks. At the end of the assembly, we teach a rap. So the rap is really fun. It lists all the rules that you learned at the assembly, and it's a great way for the kids to remember everything that was taught. So how do you get this assembly at your school? Well, there's a few options. Our basic assembly package. We send you all of the digital files that you need to run the assembly yourself. You get the PowerPoint, you get the music, and you get the script. And then it's up to you guys to find an MC, somebody that is energetic, that's okay being out in front of an audience. You get your own mascot or somebody at your school that's very well known, and you get your own props, the mask, stop sign, the posters, and the hats. Now, if you're going, I don't want to get my own props, that seems like a lot of work, then get the premium assembly package. And that comes with all of the digital files that were in the basic package, and we'll send you all the props, the stop sign, the posters, the masks, and the police hat. If you do not want to run this assembly yourself, then we can come to your school and do it for you. And that would be the ultimate assembly package. It's a little more costly, but it's a lot less work for you guys. The assembly stands on its own. If you only want to do the assembly, then that's fine. Just purchase one of the assembly packages. If you are a school that's like, we can't do assemblies, so maybe this isn't for me, don't worry. Skip the assembly and just do the extension pack. The extension package allows you to make a full digital citizenship week. Now, doing both the assembly and the extension pack is the best way to help your students retain all of the internet safety tools. So the extension pack focuses 4 days on one letter of the stop sign. So the first day you'll work on the letter S. You'll have a morning announcement. You'll have teacher-led discussions that are very short and simple. You'll have a lunch activity corresponding with the letter S, and you'll do emails home to parents. Now these emails are digital. You can cut and paste what you like. So this helps parents start these discussions at home. And these video links are there if they wanted to show them to their kids. So we send a little stop pledge home with every student. And on the back side of the pledge is a worksheet that parents can fill out with their kids and establish their own rules at home. Now, if you want to make sure parents are seeing this, we like to have the parents sign the bottom of the pledge, and if the kids return it, then they get a prize. And we're providing you a graphic image of the stop sign that you can print on whatever prize you want. The extension package also includes a poster for each classroom, a daily reminder for the kids, and there's also a place at the bottom where the class can sign it to say that they pledge to stay safe online. One of my favorite parts about the extension package, it provides a way for these kids to practice the rap several times a day during the announcement with their class, and then they can do it again during the lunch activity. And then by the end of the week, these kids know this rap so well that you see them in the playground doing the rap as fast as they can, and they're just chanting the internet safety rules and not even thinking about it. It's awesome. Okay, so how do you get the extension pack? There's a few options. The first is basically all digital files. You take it and you make the prints and you can run with it. The other package is the premium extension pack, and that basically comes with all of the digital files, but also we will send you prints of the stop pledge for 500 students, the classroom posters for 20 classrooms, and 20 teacher-led discussion packs, so you won't have to make those prints. It comes with a facilitator guide that will help you step by step run this program so you don't get overwhelmed. And there's even an assignment chart so you can easily just assign tasks to whoever can help you with this to make it super seamless and easy to run. I promise whether you do just the assembly or just the extension, or you choose to do both, you will not be disappointed with this program. We have ran a version of this program at our elementary school for the last 10 years, and this specific STOP program for the last 5. It is amazing to see how well these 5th graders know this program, and they're the ones now teaching the little kids the rap. And during the assembly, they're part of it, they know what's going on, and they're excited to be the teachers. This program has been used by Utah Tech for a year as they were looking for a way to engage with elementary schools. And then TDS, which is a technology company, took it around to elementary schools for a year in Washington County as part of their TDS Cares program. So this is a tried and true program that has been proven to help kids stay safe online. And I know it'll be effective in your school too.